Okay, so when we were taught back in elementary school how to multiply numbers, a lot of us were taught, to carry a number, and we didn't realize what that meant. So I want to just do a couple quick multiplication problems. So the way we were taught in school, 14 times 7, we would do 4 times 7 is 28. We would write the 8 there, and then we would carry the 2. Okay, and that's what we were told. We just carry the 2. So in my mind, I was thinking I was carrying 2 ones, right? And then 7 times 1 is 7, plus the 2 is 9. So we would get 98. Technically, we're not carrying 2. We're carrying 2 tens. So the way I wrote it on the right is it's kind of like the Common Core way, which a lot of adults are confused by because that's not how we were taught. But it actually it's going to help students understand better later on in their math careers. So 14 times 10 is really saying you have 7 groups of 10. 7 groups of 10 is 70. And then you have 4 groups of 7, which is 28. And 70 plus 28 is 98. And some of you might think, well, it's way easier to do it the other way, linear, lining it up vertically. And it might be on some problems, but the more and more you do that, the faster you get at them. And then it develops your number sense, and it'll help you on problems later on. So let's try just a couple more. Let me move myself here. 18 times 5. So you have 5 groups of 10, which is 50. And then you have 5 groups of 8, which is 40. And 50 plus 40 is 90. Okay, 13 times 6, you have 6 groups of 10, which is 60. And then you have 6 groups of 3, which is 18. So 13 times 6 is 78. And then it even works for 3-digit multiplication too. Here you have 5 groups of 100, which is 500. And then you have 5 groups of 20. 5 groups of 20 is 100. And then 5 groups of 3, which is 15. And if you add all those up, you get 615, which is not showing up right. Oh, there we go. All right, so that's just a quick way or a different way to think of multiplication so that you're really, really thinking about your number sense. Hope that helped.